Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on my Chicco high seat chair. I really love this chair, guys. We actually have it for my little niece and my little nephew whenever they come over. They're 3 years old and 1.5, so it's great for all ages. Now guys, I really wanted to show you the tray. As you can see, it's an extra large tray, so it's super big. I really like that. And I really like that it has a little cup holder here on the side. Now guys, whenever you're not using the high seat chair and you want to store it off somewhere, you can always take off the tray. So it has a little handle here in the bottom. You can just press it, take it off, and then take it to the back. So you'll just press the button here and then just put it here in the bottom and it will look like this. I really like that. And also guys, it has little wheels in the bottom here, so you can just move it around in case you want to store it off somewhere or you want to place it somewhere else. You can also adjust the height here, so you'll just press the button here, and as you can see, it has a bunch of holes here on the top, so you can adjust the height. So I really like that. Also guys, a really cool feature about it is that you can recline the chair. So it has 2 levels. You'll just press the button here, recline it to 1 level, and then recline it to a 2nd level. So I really like that. My little niece and my little nephew absolutely love that feature. And whenever you want to just raise the handles here on the front, you'll just press the button and you'll just raise them up like this. Now, as for cushion, guys, it's not this soft cushion or anything like that, but it's actually very comfortable. I like it. My little niece and nephew like it as well. And the features are just amazing, guys. I really love this high seat chair and I would definitely recommend it.